Zart? Biggie? Is that you? Do you seriously want me to cut open another toy? Let's see. Let's cut open the chicken and watch it run around. Biggie. Run around like a chicken with his head cut off? Oh, Biggie. Look at this chicken. He's so silly. He's like a little whoa. Did you see that? Whoa. It's like an egg. An egg inside of him. What? What in the world? Wow. I've never seen this before. Look, and it moves around in there. It's like magic. Like magic on Christmas Day. It's so neat. Whoa. Wow, that looks so magical. Look, you can see Biggie there. Do you see him? He's all magnified. Wow. Okay, so Zart wants me to cut off his head and watch it run around. Whew, okay. He's not running around. Well, I'll make him run. Woo, okay. Look, that's still there. Okay, let's see what's inside this. Are we ready? Look. Whoa. Oh my. Whoa. This is craziness. Wow. Look. Look. This was inside? Okay. Should we cut open this? Yeah, let's cut this open. Oh. Whoa. Oh my. Where'd the egg go? The egg yolk. Where did it go? It's not here. Oh, where is it? Is it here? No. Oh no. How? It just disappeared out of nowhere. Oh, wow. Well, if you like this video down below, you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel. Become a member of the Sporella family where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf.